So we want to look at the ribbon. So Excel uses tabbed ribbon system instead of traditional menus. The ribbon contains multiple tabs, as you can see. These are tabs, each with several groups of commands. You will use these tabs to perform the most common tasks in Excel. So if you look at this part, you will see that this one is highlighted home. The home tab gives you access to some of the most commonly used commands for working with data in Excel, including copying and pasting, including formatting, number styles. So the home tab is selected by default whenever you open Excel. This is where it brings you to here. So the next one is the insert. Insert tab allows you to insert charts like tables, spark lines, filters, and more. And they can help you to visualize and communicate your workbook data in a graphical way to show graphics. Yes. So the next one is page layout. The page layout allows you to change the print formatting of your workbook, including margin, width, page orientation. This is a page orientation, portrait or landscape, size, themes. This is a theme. You can have different types of themes, different states. So I have a lot of them here. So these commands will be especially helpful when you are preparing to print a workbook. So that is very, very important. So we want to look at the next one. The next one is formulas. The formula tab gives you access to the most commonly used functions and formulas in Excel. These commands will help you calculate and analyze numerical data, such as average and percentage. So across board here you see function, auto sum to automatically summarize, recently used financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup, math, more and more functions. So here we have a lot of functions here and formulas that are used to calculate information or to predict or to project information. So then the next one is data. The data tab makes it easy to sort and filter information in your workbook. This can be so helpful, especially if your project contains a large amount of data. Review. You can use the Review tab to access Excel's powerful editing features, including comments. You can comment on, look at new comment. You just click new comment, you can type. Probably you want to edit something, and you are trying to pass the message across to the person that is going to view it. So you can use the comment to send a very important information. So, and you can also use to track changes. So these features make it easy to share and collaborate on workbooks. So the View tab now is the View tab. It allows you to switch between different views. So for your workbook and freeze panes for easy viewing. These commands will also be helpful when you're preparing to print a workbook. So you can freeze your pen, like if you want this part, this head here, this part, as you're scrolling up and down, you want this thing to maybe sort an information here to be stagnant or to be fixed. So you just, as you're scrolling up and down, it will not leave its position. So it's very, very useful. So that's one of the benefits of the View tab. So also we want to look at design.